the bot firm check. Look at this, another 150k done, blue alerts. So we've got a lot to get through in this video. In fact, we've got so much to talk about it. I've actually wrote down what we're talking about because I'll forget. I've got short-term memory loss. But you know what? I feel like I haven't done a video in about a month because this month's August. And for the whole of August, I'm live streaming on my YouTube channel. So I've been doing a lot of live streams and you've been watching a lot of pre-recorded videos as well. Saying that, actually, this video is pre-recorded because today is Monday. And you're watching this video on Thursday. So let's just jump straight into it, okay? Because a lot of things are happening. A lot of exciting things are in motion. So let's jump straight into it, okay? The first one is my robot. So about 4 years ago, I built some robots from the Binary Destroyer. You can get them from Forex Shield. So www.forexshields.com. The link's always in the description below. I use these with my members. I've been using them for 4 years. And I'm currently testing a new set file for it. And I genuinely think, right, this is going to be good, right? So if you go over to, well, if you go to their website, you'll see all the MyFXbook accounts. But I want to show you the, which one is it here? I'm going to show you one of them. Is it Gold Live? No, it's not that one. It is Gold Forex Live. This one here, right? So if I just do the custom analysis and I go to the 1st of January. So January, I'm going to show you we're going to go 2025. We're going to go 1st of January until February. So we're going to do February because I changed this to a live account after that. As you can see here, right? So from 1st of January until April, it did 3% drawdown and about a 20% gain, right? Phoenix has, or the name of this robot, has a very high win ratio. Like literally it wins the majority of its trades. As you can see, for 4 months, it literally just won the majority of its trade. Now, this set file runs a grid system, okay? So obviously, if the trade goes against you, it will open up a second trade. Now, 99% of the time, the first trade always hits take profits. That's why it has a 3% drawdown, right? Majority of the time, it will hit first trade TP. But obviously, because it runs a grid system, you know, you can't really scale up. You can't really increase your lot size because you never know, right? One trade might just go into a bit of drawdown. Now, this is on 24/7 on gold. I've never turned this off during NFP, etc. And that's quite good in 4 months. And I was thinking, how can I get this to compound trading accounts, right? Because I just leave this on ticking over in the background. I've used it for 4 years. I mean, if you go back to here, I've got accounts from 2023. I mean, if I go to maybe the live account from 2023, I've got, you know, 23, I've got 22, 6 months here. What's this one? Yeah, 22 when I first started it, okay? And I was thinking, how can I compound trading accounts? Get this, right? I've got an idea. So what I'm currently testing right now is I'm getting Phoenix to take 1 or 2 trades a day. So it turns on, it takes 2 trades and then turns itself off, right? Now, if it takes 2 trades a day, it's very likely that those trades are going to win, right? Because it, like it says, it has a high win ratio. Get this, right? So because it's at 2 trades a day, it's very likely it will hit TP on those first 2 trades. So I've decided to introduce a stop loss, which means I can increase my lot size. So it turns on 2 winning trades a day, turns off, and it can just compound. If it does hit the stop loss, it's okay because I'll increase the lot size, or theoretically it should, you know, recover it because it's going to hit those 2 wins every single day. Now, I'm going to show you today's trading results. Well, in fact, I can show you all my trading results, to be honest with you. So this is, by the way, this is it running on currency pairs. You can see here, those are all the currency pairs. So obviously I run it on multiple different accounts. 297 for the month, that's on currency pairs. But I wanted to show you, so this is not that one. It is this one here. So it's currently took 3 trades a day, right? As you can see here, 2 trades hit take profit and the other trade hit a trading stop loss. So it's been working sweet. I turn it on, hits 2 winning trades. I turn it off. And yeah, you know, because it has a stop loss and because it's only taking 2 trades a day, I haven't got to worry about news. I haven't got to worry about market manipulation. Just bang, instantly hits take profit, turn it off. I love it. So a lot of exciting time on the EA front. So hopefully in the next few weeks, I'll get some solid data to feed back with you. The other one, I've got it written down here, is I'm currently doing, well, a £50 challenge. As you can see, the start of this video, you see me hit £200 from £50, right? I'm trading every single day with my members, so I like to do challenges. So I decided just for a bit of fun, I'm going to see how far I can take a £50 trading account. The reason being is because I'm currently going through a process where I am changing my trading account. So I'm withdrawing all of my money at the minute and changing trading accounts. Every 6 months, I like to do this because I don't like leaving large sums of money in trading accounts. I like to put withdrawals in. I like to make sure that brokers can honor the withdrawals because you never know, right? You don't want to leave large sums of money in trading accounts. So every 6 months, I like to just withdraw all of my trading accounts and then just start again. And just to show you transparency, if you go into the free group, you'll actually see I made withdrawals. Look, you know, yesterday I said I don't have any large accounts at the minute because I'm currently making withdrawals. This was this morning, right? You can see I've submitted a withdrawal request. It got accepted, etc. Right? So I'm doing a £50 trading account challenge just to show you that as well. You can currently see on my screen I'm in a trade right now. In fact, I'm in two trades. I'll show you the one. It's Euro USD, which is just about to hit take profit. Yes, baby. Look at this here. Look at this. The first blue alert. Oh my God. Right. Just to show you, MT5 now, just to show you that trading account. As you can see, £18 profit. You can see there it is currently, there you go there. You've just seen it. TPs just get hit. Euro USD, bang, closing off there. Euro USD, done. So TP hit, accounts balance is now £266. I'm also in some GPJPY buys, which is going to be, well, it's this one here. I'm actually in this on the 1 minute. Is it the 1 minute? Yeah, it's the 1 minute. It's a little bit messy. In fact, I'm actually just going to close these trades off because it's quite obvious this is going to hit me stop loss. So we're going to write that off there. But yeah, £50 challenge. Account balance is now £260. And yeah, see how far I can do it. I'm doing this with the members. Now I said, right, this is quite funny. I said that if I hit £200, I'm going to buy somebody a prop firm challenge. So I've hit £200. I'm going to buy someone a prop firm challenge. Now to show you transparency, I'm going to let you pick the prop firm company, right? I'm not going to get you to sign up to some dodgy prop firm. I don't even know how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do a competition. If you win it, I'll buy you a free prop firm challenge. I'll let you pick the prop firm. It's totally up to you. But what I also thought as well is I'm going to do this every time I hit a milestone. So £200, £1,000, 50,000, 100,000, whatever, right? Every time I do a milestone, I'll buy someone a prop firm challenge. And I thought it would be good to teach them on a YouTube channel with that prop firm account to see how well they do, right? Because I think it'll be good content as well. Right? It's in my best interest that they pass that prop firm challenge, because a rule is I'm going to buy you a prop firm challenge, but on the first withdrawal, you have to give me my money back, which I'll donate to charity, right? And I think that'll be quite fun because I know somebody's going to be like, Jamie, can you buy me £1 million prop firm challenge? And I'll be like, yeah, I'll buy you £1 million prop firm challenge on the basis you pass it and you give me it back, right? Again, if you fail it, I'm not bothered, right? The money's just going to go to charity. But let's see, let's have some fun. Also, blue alerts, right? Because everyone keeps asking me. So it's been about a month since the higher time frame blue alerts have been released. And yeah, I mean, honestly, it's amazing, right? So people, my members, have been just taking the blue alerts blindly. So when a blue alert appears, they just take it. Now, with a bit of structure, so they're not just taking any blue alert, they're taking it on a set time frame, on a set asset or currency pair. So just to show you, right, this member, okay, has been taking every blue alert on futures, S&P futures. He has a window from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. and he just takes every blue alert that appears. As you can see here, he actually documents it every single day. Today's one as well. Yeah, right. I mean, he made 7. If I just go into the pictures here, I don't know where's the pictures here. Where is the picture? I mean, this guy passed a prop firm check. Look at this. Another 150k done. Blue alerts. There you go, right? He's just taking blue alerts and people are passing prop firm challenge. Again, I'll just show you this one here. There you go there, 16% for July. So we're now in August and that's just taking blue alerts. And I feel like I'm missing out not jumping on this bandwagon, right, of just taking random blue alerts. So what I've started to do is take the first blue alerts on both. So Frankfurt Open or London Open, right? Frankfurt Open, 7 a.m. I'm taking the first blue alert that appears on gold and Euro USD. And I'm not even joking you, it's good. So Euro USD just hit TP. You actually seen it here, right? I've just closed the first blue arrow after Frankfurt Open. That is it just here when it loads. There you go there. And that just hit a 1 to 2. As you can see here, 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Monday morning, 1 trade a day, bang, 1 to 2, 1. That's Euro USD. If we look at gold, 15-second time frame, this was the, where is it? Here. This was the first blue alert on gold after Frankfurt Open. Same again, 1 to 2. Beautiful, beautiful. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And you know what? I love this. A lot of members are doing this as well. We got Michael Austin and a few other members taking the blue alerts on GPUSD. So basically, I don't know what. Oh wow, look at these. Wow, look at these blue alerts. Again, I don't know what they're doing with GU. I know as well another thing that is very amazing with the blue alerts. Another member over the weekend said, hold on, 30-second time frame. He said, I'm not joking, 30-second time frame, USP 500. Go check it, go back test it. You will be amazed on how good they are. So US 500, 30-second, every blue alert. Winner, winner. That one's a loss. That one's a winner. That one is a winner. And bear in mind, you're going for 1 to 2s, right? 1 to 2s. That's a loss. That one's probably a loss. That one's probably a winner. This is going into, next week, right? So let me go over next week. That's a winner. That's a winner. That's a winner. And like I said, right, if you put a bit of structure to that, so if you say, you know what, I'm going to take 2 blue alerts today on gold for 1 to 2. I ain't even joking you, this stuff actually works, right? I mean, I was a bit hesitant at first because I don't like being that guy on YouTube that says, just take blue alerts, you'll make money. Because like, it makes me sound like a scammer. Do you know what I mean? It's like, because you'll get idiots out there that just take every blue alert and they're like, Jamie, it's not working. I'm like, well, you can't take every blue alert that appears on every time frame at random times, you got to have a bit of structure, right? So like you have set times, or you take the first trade after London Open like me, or the first trade on New York Open, whatever, right? If you have a bit of structure, it works. So yeah, it's quite good actually. So a lot of exciting times. The BD members have been smashing it. Yeah, I mean, I can't complain. We did a live stream this morning. Thank you very much. We did a live stream this morning and we took an absolutely beautiful trade. And this is where I really want to wrap up the video, just to kind of like show you that how to build consistency, right? Let me just, was this on the 15-second time frame, right? And I was explaining this, and I'm going to explain it to you as well, right? This is an absolutely perfect trade, right? You see how we've just crossed above the EMA? We've just crossed above the EMA, so this is potentially the start of an uptrend. And this is what I teach, this is what I stand by, this is what I know works, this is what the majority of our members, you know, full-time members with this strategy trade, they stand by it, I stand behind it. These are the perfect trades, right? So as you can see, we've just crossed above the EMA when the EMA loads. Why is the EMA not loading? Come on, there we go. We've just crossed above the EMA. We've had our first pullback. We've retouched the structure. We've had our second pullback. That means, guess what? We've now got a confirmation of a trend, because what is a trend? Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Beautiful. I said to my members when we took this live on the live stream, as you can see, it was at 6:30 live streaming. Yeah, I know, madness in it that I get up at that time to live stream. But we took this trade together. If you actually look at the trade now, you know, look at it, right? Hold on, it's literally the start of an uptrend. If we'd held that trade, you'd still, oh my God, you'd be like up here somewhere with this trade. Unbelievable, innit? But this is what I'm trying to say. And this is what I'll say to everyone. If you just take this, it works. Just these setups. But the problem is consistency, right? And consistency doesn't come from a strategy. It comes from you, right? If you had a strategy with a 99% win ratio and you had that one loss and you didn't control that one loss and you started chasing trades, you got impatient, you just couldn't handle it, and you blew your entire trading account, even if you had such a high win ratio, such a good strategy, if you can't learn to be a trader, that one loss, you'll just lose your trading account. And I say this all the time, right? Go and take 100 of these setups and you will be amazed. But the problem is, if I said to you, go take 100 trades, it's very likely you won't take 100 trades. You won't get there. You'll give up. You'll get distracted. You'll do other things. Or if you do get to that 100th trade, the trade you take will not look anything like this. If I told you take the first trade like this here, by the time you get to your 100th trade, it will not look like this at all. You would have completely deviated from the rules, and it would be like, what on earth's happened? I see this all of the time where I'll trade with the members on private webinars and they get it, they're calling setups with me, they're confident, we make money together, and then we have a webinar a month later and I'm like, what's gone wrong? What's happened in that month from here to here? And it's like, oh, I was impatient, I was chasing trades, I wasn't really focusing, I was being distracted, I was watching other people, and it's like, yeah, I mean, the consistency comes from taking these setups. I mean, I make it look easy on a YouTube video, and you know why? It's because I just take this. I just show you these setups because that's all I take, and I filter out all of the other losses. I don't entertain them. I don't look at them, right? And that's where most people go wrong. If you look at most people, it's like, yeah, Jim, I'm all over the place. I'm just like not with it. And that's what builds consistency, is being able to take the trades. That's why I go back to George, right? And if you go back to George and you go back to the trades he takes, all he's doing is taking blue alerts. All he's taking. And you go, how is that working? It's working because he gives himself a set time. As you can see here, he has a set window, 7 until 4 p.m. He takes every blue alert that appears for 20 ticks or 20 tick TP. He moves his break even. That's it. He has a clear set of rules. He knows what he's looking for and he's disciplined to execute that every single day. It's not what you know, it's not what strategy you have, it's how well you can execute it day in, day out on the charts. And that is it. It can be a simple strategy, it can be a complicated strategy. So I'm going to leave it out there. I hope you enjoyed the video. When this video goes out, it will be my last live stream. So do get involved in my last August live stream. It's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Do get involved, do trade with us, just have a trading session with us, right? We're here to have fun. We're here to trade together. Whether you trade SMC or you trade the BD, let's just have fun, right? Let's just trade. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.